That was a cracking wee ride out to the Kelpies, and a nice little burger and an ice cream. So I think we'll head back, Alec, eh?
Aye, let's burn some calories off.
Yes, aye.
You go first.
Right. And free parking at the Kelpies this time. The last time they were trying to charge me.
Got that crackling back.
No, I don't hear any crackling.
That's the way now.
It's getting a bit chill.
Oh, nice hot wee toasty hands.
Aye, I was just about to say it's getting a bit chilly now, eh?
That's alright though.
I've still got my vents open. That's one shut. That's the second one shut.
You might need to emote me after eating that burger.
Aye, a bit of expansion.
Oh, these heated grips are bro.
They're good, eh?
Aye, absolutely. Red for toasty.
I've got mine on at 50%. I'll probably end up turning them down though.
I've got mine on white now.
White is the middle set, and that's 50%. I think, ish. Aye, that's past a few hours.
It's good, eh?
Aye.
Feel like you've done some in your holidays.
Well, aye. There's the Falkirk football stadium.
It looks better for this end, doesn't it?
It does, eh?
They need to get back in the Premiership though.
Yeah. Oh, we're getting a wee run right round this roundabout, Alec.
Cracking, eh?
Aye. You just want to come off at the next junction and then we'll just go to the gorge.
Aye. I've got to say the heated grips are good.
They are, eh?
Aye.
Right, let's go. That bandit looks good though.
Quite quick as well, eh?
Yeah.
Too big a gear there, boy.
Right.
Right, okay, go.
Yeah.
I've got to say, the best investment so far, heated grips.
Without a shadow of a doubt.
This road's as rough as anything, isn't it?
Yeah. Aye, there's nothing worse than your paws being called.
I know. A wee didgeridoo's.
Aye. See, I've got arthritis in white finger, so when my hands get cold,
Stiffens up.
it stiffens up and I can't feel my fingers. What's going on up there?
As it's
on the roundabout. I wonder if there's been a smash.
Somebody's broken down.
Aye,
There's a white car up the grass. My hands are seriously toasty.
that's good.
Especially my right one.
Yeah.
Oops, fucking hell, how did he get in there? Jesus, suffering. Oh, he's trying to dodge the other car, isn't he?
You want to go through Blackburn?
Aye, if you want, aye.
It saves the motorway, eh?
Aye.
I think I've done enough motorway miles this year.
Aye, probably.
Though, it's been a no bad night weather-wise.
That's been fine, eh? Might as well take it where we can get it.
Absolutely. I'm going to have to turn my grips down a wee touch, down to 30%. Or is that 40%?
Mine's are actually alright on the white.
The white's your middle.
I don't know if it is, because they're really, like, really low.
Aye, it's blue, white, red. That's your sequence. Blue.
I'm not moving it because it's comfy.
Aye. And when you switch the bike on again, it will remember your last setting. So you don't need to toggle through it like what I need to do.
This is dead easy, honestly.
Yeah. I might get a set of grips, eh? I'll see.
Should walking our cat.
I never noticed.
Those grips actually cool down when we stopped the lights.
Do they? Well, yours are intelligent, eh?
Better than the fucking driver.
Well, I'm the same. I'm as bright as a blackout.
You know that's stupid.
Okay, I'm thick.
Nah, you fuck.
It's hard to believe just a couple of years ago that was just a marshland, eh?
I know.
Well, and before that you had the Panasonic factory on that
I don't know why
side.
they didn't just give Bellway Homes the whole fucking thing to do.
Yeah.
Instead of that, they're going to have two different types of houses.
Absolutely pointless having these lights on at night.
There's some fucking idiots driving about though.
But you'll always get that, doesn't matter what time of the day it is.
If you're quick enough, you'll get the last one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that, just looked at my clock there, I was in third gear doing 33 mile an hour. What's the chances of that?
Aye, I'm in fourth. Now I'm in third. Right, well I think we'll wrap the video up there, and then look forward to the next adventure. Peace out.